All right, guys, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we about to make a trip across the border. I'm gonna show you guys how to make these easy, cheesy beef enchiladas. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over our ingredients real quick. Back here we have a mix of cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. You can use a Mexican blend cheese if you want to. Typically, Mexican blend consists of cheddar and Monterey Jack and 2 other cheeses, but I'm just using cheddar and Monterey Jack. Ground beef here, some red enchilada sauce, some pinto beans, chili powder, chopped garlic, onions. I'm using corn tortillas. You can use flour tortillas. It's totally up to you. I like corn tortillas because it gives you that more authentic taste. Green chilies, taco seasoning, cumin, and some olive oil. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna heat up some olive oil. We're gonna add our onions and our garlic, and we're gonna cook this for about 3 minutes until those onions begin to soften and that garlic releases that beautiful fragrance. All right, so after that 5 minutes, we're gonna go in with our ground beef and we're gonna break this up as we cook it for the next 5 minutes until it's cooked all the way through, brown, and no more pink. We're gonna add our cumin and our chili powder. Continue to get that mixed in. So once the beef is brown, you're gonna go in with your pinto beans, your green chilies, your taco seasoning. We're going to mix this well, make sure it's evenly distributed. Give it a quick taste if you need to. Add salt and pepper if needed. All right, once you've mixed it well, you have all those ingredients evenly distributed, we're gonna turn off our heat and we're gonna head over to our cutting board to start preparing our enchiladas. A lot of you guys have been asking about this and I am excited to finally say it's here. My highly anticipated hardcover cookbook, Still Not a Chef, is available right now for pre-order. You guys know it's all about real food, bold flavors, and cooking with no pressure. So if you've been waiting on this, link in the video description. All right, so let's start building out our tortillas. First, what we're gonna do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You're gonna take a half a cup of your enchilada sauce and we're gonna pour it at the bottom of your pan. You can use a 9x13 size pan that works, and we're gonna spread this in the bottom of the pan like this, evenly. We're gonna start with 1 tortilla at a time, and we're gonna take about 2 tablespoons of our enchilada sauce, spread it directly over the tortilla. We're gonna take about 3 to 4 tablespoons of our beef mixture, or add it directly to the center of our tortilla. We're gonna take 1/3 of a cup of our cheese over the tortilla, or over the beef rather. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to roll this baby. We're gonna roll this baby up, and you don't have to flip it number like 1 time like this, and then we're gonna place it face down into our pan just like that. So you don't necessarily have to roll it, you just need to fold it up rather. And now we're just gonna repeat this same process with the remaining tortillas. All right, guys, so we have completed our enchiladas. The thing about corn enchiladas, you gotta be real careful or they'll tear up around here. And I'm gonna tell you, a few of them tore and I had to redo them, but we're gonna keep it just like that. We just need to go ahead and finish off the recipe by adding the remaining of our enchilada sauce to the top, like this. The remaining of our cheese. All right, we're gonna put this in the oven for 20 minutes on 350 degrees until that cheese is melted and bubbly and those edges around here start to brown and crisp, all right? Let's get it in the oven. All right, guys, so we are 20 minutes in. The last thing we're gonna add to this baby is that green stuff, some freshly chopped parsley. You know how we do it. And there you have it, guys. Cheesy beef enchiladas. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. Y'all already know what time it is. Quality control. We bring that food to the front of the congregation. Whew. These babies looking so good, man. Oh man. Take my time because I don't want to burn myself. These babies hot. Oh man. Oh man. I love the corn tortillas versus the flour better. Even though the corn tortillas are really delicate and hard to deal with, if you guys have a solution of how you can handle these corn tortillas, because these babies will tear in a minute. But hey, they taste better with enchiladas in my opinion. So guys, definitely add this one to your recipe to-do list. You need this one here. So until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. Man, I forgot to say this baby cheesy and beefy. I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot and I'm out. Peace. Oh man.